The details of the impeachment trial against suspended Attorney General Ken Paxton are now coming into focus. Last night, the Texas Senate decided the trial will start September 5th and adopted rules for how this trial will unfold. Paxton is accused of abusing his office to help Austin investor Nate Paul, who was under investigation by the FBI and receiving benefits that included a home remodel and a job for his mistress at Paul's company. Senior reporter Tony Plohetski is here now to help unpack some of what these rules say. And Tony, a big question is what happens either way if Paxton is convicted and if he isn't?
And Quita, we've spent the day trying to understand what would happen if Paxton is convicted under both these rules and the state's constitution. Paxton could be convicted on any of the 20 articles of impeachment. If he is convicted on even one of them, he is automatically permanently removed from office. Now, according to legal experts we've been talking to, those two things are bundled together. So this already would have a penalty built in. But the senators would then have to consider a second question, and that is whether or not Paxton could be barred from serving in public office in Texas ever again. Now, if he is acquitted, Paxton could simply go back to work as Attorney General. But keep in mind, he still faces those felony fraud charges and an ongoing federal investigation, Quita.
Well, Tony, what would this all mean for the AG's office itself if Paxton is convicted in the impeachment trial?
So Governor Abbott has already appointed John Scott as interim Attorney General as all of this unfolds. If Paxton is convicted, the governor could keep Scott in place, or he could use that opportunity to appoint someone else. But the state would have to elect a new attorney general in 2024 in a general election, Quita.
All right, senior reporter Tony Plohetski live with us in the studio tonight. Tony, thank you.